Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Ram 1500 without key. Begin by safely parking the truck, engaging the parking brake, and disconnecting the battery before attempting any entry methods. Use a coat, hanger, or wedge gently at the door frame to create a gap. Then maneuver a slim jim or rod to press the unlock lever or button carefully to avoid damaging weather stripping. I explain safe and legal options to get back into your Ram 1500 when you do not have the key. Check for a keypad on the door or use a spare fob if available, and always avoid destructive methods. If electronics fail, consider using OBD access or a professional locksmith who can program a replacement key or open doors without damage, keeping your vehicle secure and protected. Carry proof of ownership when I cover practical prevention tips so you can avoid a lockout of your Ram 1500 in the future. Keep a programmed spare key in a secure location, enable the factory keypad or mobile remote features, and store keys in a consistent spot at home. Regularly backup key programming records and consider a magnetic hidden key box for emergencies to save time and stress during unexpected lockouts. Also check battery health on fobs monthly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.